Dormont's been in business over 70 years, and we're located outside of Pittsburgh in Export, PA. Dormont is a world-class manufacturer of the blue hose and other gas conveyance corrugated tubing.
We are a global player in the gas conveyance market. Within the last couple years, we celebrated our 150 millionth gas hose.
We've changed really how people do things, especially in the food service side of the business.
Approximately 40 years ago, we invented the commercial gas hose with a company by the name of McDonald's. McDonald's knew the capabilities of Dormont and worked with us to come up with a product that allowed them to move their cooking equipment.
At that point in time, there were no flexible hose hookups. Once we got the McDonald's business moving, we went to Burger King, we went to KFC, we went to Wendy's. Because we were market share leaders, people would call, and they wouldn't call in for a Dormont model number. They would call and say, hey, I need a blue hose.
We are ISO 9001-2015 certified. Some of our other certification boards are CSA, BSI. All those have standards that must be met. We work tirelessly to make sure that we are conforming to their regulations and that we meet those standards.
We do build it as if we're putting it into our own home. It's also continuous improvement. We're always striving to improve not only our processes, but our products as well.
When you purchase a Dormont product, you are getting a product that is reliable, dependable, one that exceeds the regulatory standards, which to me is the Dormont Difference.
Customers know that when they get in a pinch, they can pick up the phone and have product the next day.
Being a USA manufacturer is a big deal. We have the talent right here, close to where we make it. So that makes it a lot simpler.
I can't tell you how many times that I'm talking to a customer on the phone and they'll say, well, where does your product ship from? Where is it made? And I can say, hey, it's made in the factory in the doors right behind where I'm sitting in Export, PA.
We are in the middle of our factory right now, and in this area we prepare and package around 30,000 gas connectors each and every day.
We're really working on smart and connected technology. It's the future of our company, really, is to work to implement that technology where we can into our new product development process.
Coming to work at Dormont is bigger than just getting a paycheck.
The culture and community is one that is of high tenure. You know, once you come to Dormont, it seems like you want to stay and work at Dormont.
My mom worked here for 10 years, and I've been working here for 12 years.
I love my job. These people here have seen my children grow up. My son is now working here also. This is a Dormont family, and our customers are part of our Dormont family. We don't separate that.
Being here at Dormont all these years, I've gotten to know our customers, and they feel like part of my family. We get a call from a customer, we actually recognize their voice.
You know, after 40 years, we're still in touch with a guy who called us and said, hey, I work for McDonald's, I'm in engineering. And now he's not only a customer, but he's a friend.
Everybody that competes with Dormont, they're still coming up to the level. We're the benchmark, we're the standard.
We make what we sell. We have the confidence knowing that we're using the best trained employees, the best equipment, high quality domestic materials. We leak test every single gas connector that we make to ensure that when it gets into the hands of our consumers, that they can have the high level of confidence that we have, that they pick the right product.
We love our customers.
We love our customers.
And thank you for your business.
We're proud to be an American manufacturer.
We're proud to be an American manufacturer.